Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja School online classes. Class first standard. Subject is Maths. Topic Unit 5. Numbers 10 to 11. 5.1. Place of numbers 1 to 9. Children, today let us learn about second semester Unit 5 numbers 10 to 11 5.1 place of numbers 1 to 9. Place of ones, the numbers 1 to 9 are single. The numbers 1 to 9 are single or one digit numbers. They are placed in the ones column of the place value chart. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See children, this is the place of value chart. One is ones place. 2 is 2 ones. 3, 3 ones. 4, 4 ones. 5, 5 ones. 6 is 6 ones. 7 is 7 ones. 8 is 8 ones. 9 is 9 ones. Each box shows 1. Each box shows 1 children. 0 holes in one's column. 0 holes in the one's column children. See the picture children. Write the numbers 0 to 9. The proper column of the place value chart. Remember children, one digit or single digit numbers are placed in the ones column. Once again, remember children, one digit or single digit numbers are placed in the ones column. You write ones columns in single digit children. Here 0 is ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are single digit numbers are placed in the ones column children. See children, here given one example 5.2 110. This is the exercise. Think of the situation. See, Ajay has 9 marbles. Ajay has 9 marbles. He got one more marble from his friend Hamid. He got one more marble from his friend Hamid. How many marbles does he have now? Yes, count the marbles, children. 1. Count the marbles all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ajay has 9 marbles. He got one more marble from his friend Hamid. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. One more than 9 marbles is 10 marbles. One more than 9 marbles is children 10 marbles. Ajay has 10 marbles in all. Ajay has 10 marbles in all. You write has 10 or 110. You write 10 also or 110. See, one more example is there children. There are 10 pencils in the pencil holder. There are 110 pencils. You say about there are 110 pencils. Another example is there. There are 10 beads in the necklace. You say you say about there are 110 beads. 110 beads. Next exercise is 5.3, introducing ones and tens. Ones and tens. Here given some activity. Study these examples. See, first block given 5 apples. Yes, count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apple means 5 ones apples. 5 apple means 5 apples means 5 ones apples. Next column is there. How many apples count children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are 8 apples. 8 apples means 8 ones apples. 8 ones apples. Next column given. How many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 apples. 10 apples means 10 ones apples. 10 ones apples or 110 apples. You say about 10 ones apples or 110 apples. Next column given. How many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 apples. 12 apples means 12 ones apples or 110 and 2 ones apples. 12 apples means 12 ones apples or 110 and 2 ones apples. Are you understand children? Yes, come on, next. Sum is there. Count and fill in the boxes with the correct number. Count and fill in the box with the correct number. See here given how many triangles? Yes, count children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is given 4 triangles. You write 4 triangles. 4 means 4 ones. 4 means 4 ones. B1. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 circles. 7 circles means say about 7 ones. 7 ones. How many lines in C1? Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 lines. 9 lines means 9 ones. 9 ones. How many circles are there? Yes, count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 circles. 10 circles means 10 ones or 110. 10 ones or 110. Next, how many sticks are there? Is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 sticks. 10 sticks means 10 ones. 10 ones or 110. 10 ones or 110 children. Yes, next exercise here children. Second one, count and circle 10 dots. Write the number of round up dots and the remaining dots. One example has been done. See here, one example is done. Has done. What is the example? See here, how many dots are there? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 objects is there. Round up 10 dots only. You round up 10 dots only. Remaining, how many dots? Remaining children? Only 1 dot. Only 1 dot. The second one, B. How many objects are there is count children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 objects. You round up dots. You round up dots. How many? Tens. How many tens? Dots. You round up children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 110. There are 110. You write 110 in given box. Remaining, how many dots is there children? Yes, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are remaining 5 dots. You write 5 ones. 5 1 in given box. Next, see how many objects are there. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Yes, how many objects are there? There are 13 objects. You round up 10 dots. You round up 10 dots. You write 110 in the given box. Round up box. Remaining, how many dots are there? Yes, there are 3 dots. You write 3 1. 3 1 in the given box. Next, D1. How many objects are there counted children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You round up 10 dots. 110. You round up 110. You write the 110 in given box children. Remaining, how many dots are there? Yes, there are 7 dots. You write 7 1 in the given box. Next, E. Yes, count how many objects in the box children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You round up 110 objects. You round up 110 objects. You write 110 in the given box, round up dots. Next, remaining, how many dots are there? There are 8 dots. You write 8 1 in given box. Next, F. F sum is there. How many objects are there children is counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are 19 objects. You round up 110 objects. You round up 110 objects. Yes, you write 110 in the round up dots. Next, remaining, how many dots are there? Yes, 9 dots. Remaining 9 dots. You write 9 1 in the given box. 9 1 in the given box, children. Today's home assignment is page number 95. Complete the following sums, children. This is second semester book. Second semester book, children. Refer the second semester book. Thank you, children.